Okay guys, let's get to work in real sense. Okay, once your Photoshop is activated and is being run or is open, the first thing, like we did in the previous video, is to locate where there is file. You can see the mouse cursor where there is file. You locate your file, click your file. Once you click, locate open, then you go to where you have your PSD files, your mockup logo, and you click any of the numbers seen that correspond with what you want. So once you click on that, you open. Either you open or you double tap it. Okay, this is another PSD file. So now you look to your right hand side where you see your logo. All these are already made for you. You can tap any of them to see how they are looking, but don't touch these areas. Just forget about this. They're already made for you. These are two different backgrounds for you, should in case you want to swap any of the background. These are different backgrounds I've already created for you to make use of. You can deactivate them, but this is cool. So once you're done with this, the next is to click on this smart object thumbnail so that you can place your logo. Remember, you must have already designed your logo. So once you click on it, you OK it. You can see this is the logo. Then remember how to use your eye. You close the eye. Once you close the eye, you locate your file. Look to your left hand side where there is file. You locate your file. You look for where there is place. Yes, use your place. Then locate the logo you'll be making use of. Locate the logo you'll be using. Once you locate the logo, I'll be using this. You click on it and you place. This is a placement. So you remember to click your shift before you drag. Click your shift and drag. Click your shift and drag. Okay, now after this, you place it by clicking enter. Once you are done by placing, you click on Ctrl S, which is to save. You save it. Once you are done saving, you go to the first presentation and see for yourself. Now you have your logo presented. Now what next is how to save this. There are two ways to save. You look to your left hand side where there is file. You click on file. You locate this save as. For this save as, it means you want to save on a PSD file. So if you click on this save as, you save it as a PSD file in a way that it can be editable later. But if you want to save it so that you upload and use as picture, you make use of this save web. Once you click on this save web, it will be saved in a picture format. So you can save it, name it, and select the location you want it to save. Once you are done, you click on save and it will be automatically saved for a web. So let's check to see what we've just done to see if it's good to go. You can see it's the work. Okay, so let's get back to. So that is how you get to save your work. Remember, you save in two ways, either as a PSD file or as a photo so that you can upload online. So on the next video, I'll teach you on how to work on other designs. So for now, let's close this.